properly assess Skinfold test, all 7 sites should be marked first, all being on the right side of the body. 2 measurements should be taken at each site with a rotation between each site. Measurements for sites should be 1 to 2 millimeters away from each other. If the measurement does not satisfy the 1 to 2 millimeters, sites should be retested. Examine process and the Lacronon process and mark the halfway point. Make a vertical pinch above the mark and put a caliper on the mark for 2 seconds and take measurements. For the subscapular side, have client put arm behind the back, locate the inferior angle of the scapula and measure 2 centimeters below and make mark. Client can then relax arm, make a diagonal fold above the mark, and take measurement for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. For chest, measure the distance between the anterior axillary line and the nipple. For men, mark half the distance. For women, 1/3 of the distance. Obtain a diagonal fold, take measurements, and hold for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. For mid-axillary site, have client move arm back and mark level to the xiphoid process of the sternum. Obtain a vertical pinch, measure 1 to 2 seconds, then release. For the abdominal site, measure 2 centimeters to the right of the umbilicus and mark. Obtain a vertical fold, measure 1 to 2 seconds, then release. For suprailiac site, locate client's hip bone or have client point to hip and make superior to that. Obtain diagonal fold, measure for 1 to 2 seconds, then release. For thigh site, make sure client shifts all weight to the left leg and mark on the anterior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border of the patella and the inguinal crest. Obtain a vertical fold, measure 1 to 2 seconds, then release.
The following equations will be used to calculate body density and body fat percentage. 2 different equations are shown for body density, being that there is a different equation for men and women. With body density being calculated, numbers can be put into the Brozak and Siri equations in order to calculate body fat percentage.